Is consuming olive oil before bed good or bad for your health? This question has caused significant debate among health experts, with some suggesting it could interfere with sleep, while others claim it offers remarkable benefits. After reviewing research from over 20 studies, I've found something surprising about this ancient practice. The answer depends on several factors, including the type of olive oil you use, the specific timing, and your individual health goals. Today, I'll clear up the confusion and share exactly what happens in your body when you take one spoonful before sleeping, information that could significantly impact your health as you age. What if I told you that your body is fighting an invisible battle every night, and you might be losing without even knowing it? While you sleep, your body is hard at work repairing damage from the day, but after age 50, this natural healing process becomes less effective each year. As we move past our fifth decade, our bodies face bigger challenges than before. The cellular damage that occurs simply from living life starts to outpace our repair systems. This represents a fundamental shift in how our bodies function at the cellular level. The inflammation we experience tends to increase, especially at night, and hormone levels that once remained stable begin to fluctuate in ways that affect everything from our sleep to our energy levels. Consider Martha, who at 62 found herself waking up with stiffness and fatigue that seemed to worsen each month. That stiffness in your joints, the brain fog that takes longer to clear, and the reduced energy. These are signals that your body's repair systems aren't keeping pace with daily damage. Many people mistakenly accept these changes as inevitable parts of aging, rather than recognizing them as signs requiring attention. The typical approaches many turn to only mask symptoms. Sleep medications might help you fall asleep, but often reduce sleep quality, preventing your body from entering deeper states where real repair happens. Pain relievers hide discomfort without addressing root causes. Research shows these approaches may create additional health problems while leaving underlying issues untreated. Your body resembles a high-performance vehicle that once effortlessly maintained itself, but now struggles to keep all systems running smoothly. After age 55, our cellular repair mechanisms slow down by 30 to 40%. Scientists call this a repair deficit. Your body simply can't fix damage fast enough. Nighttime presents particular challenges. Research reveals inflammation actually increases during sleeping hours for many older adults. This nighttime inflammation affects blood vessels, potentially contributing to arterial damage that can lead to serious cardiovascular issues. Your digestive system also suffers, with inflammation disrupting the gut microbiome and preventing proper healing of the digestive tract. Hormones play a critical role in this process. As we age, melatonin production naturally decreases, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Simultaneously, many people experience higher cortisol levels at night, exactly when this stress hormone should be at its lowest. These hormonal changes create a cycle. Poor sleep leads to increased inflammation, which causes more hormonal disruption, resulting in even worse sleep. What's most frustrating is that your body contains all the mechanisms needed for repair and renewal. These systems don't completely disappear with age. They just need proper support to function. Your cells want to repair themselves during sleep, but often lack the nutritional components necessary to complete this work effectively. This is where the connection between olive oil and nighttime health becomes important. Without proper nutritional support, your cells struggle with nighttime repair. They lack key compounds that activate repair enzymes and reduce inflammatory signals. This creates a growing cellular deficit that accelerates aging in ways you can both feel and measure. But what if transforming your health was as simple as one spoonful of the right substance at the right time? What if you could give your body exactly what it needs, precisely when it needs it, to support those natural repair processes? This isn't about forcing your body to do something unnatural. It's about providing the building blocks your body is already seeking during its nighttime repair cycle. The solution might seem too simple to be effective, but sometimes the most powerful interventions are also the most straightforward. Let's look at what happens when you give your body exactly what it needs for optimal nighttime repair. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, with less joint pain, clearer thinking, and a body that's actually healing itself while you sleep. This isn't wishful thinking. It's what can happen when your body's natural repair systems get the support they need. For many people over 50, this level of health seems out of reach. The good news is that research points to a simple substance that might help bridge this gap. Now imagine reversing this decline with something as simple as olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains specific compounds that support your body's natural repair mechanisms during sleep. Science has identified exactly how these compounds work at the cellular level. The key ingredients in high-quality olive oil include polyphenols like oleuropein, hydroxytyrosol, and oleocanthal. These natural compounds act as tiny repair crew members, targeting cellular damage with their powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties during your body's nighttime repair cycle. When you consume olive oil before bed, these compounds enter your bloodstream and reach cells throughout your body. Inside your cells, they help activate repair enzymes that might otherwise remain dormant. This is particularly important as we age, since our natural production of these enzymes decreases over time. The polyphenols in olive oil essentially give your repair systems a boost right when they need it most. Your cardiovascular system experiences reduced inflammation and better arterial repair from this nighttime routine. The compound oleocanthal has anti-inflammatory effects comparable to ibuprofen, but without the potential side effects of regular medication use. This helps protect your blood vessels from oxidative damage while you sleep. Your digestive system receives significant benefits too. The compounds in olive oil support your gut microbiome, the trillions of beneficial bacteria that influence everything from your immune system to your mood. Many people report improved digestion and reduced discomfort after just a few weeks of nighttime olive oil consumption. The neurological benefits are equally impressive. According to the Predimet Navarra trial, a landmark 5-year study involving thousands of participants, olive oil consumption is associated with improved global cognition, independent of factors like age, family history, and education level. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress in brain cells and lower inflammatory markers that can damage neural connections. Real people are experiencing these improvements. In the MyCoil pilot study, which followed elderly patients with mild cognitive impairment over a full year, participants showed improved cognitive performance when consuming high phenolic extra virgin olive oil. They also reported better sleep quality, reduced joint pain, and more stable energy levels throughout the day. What makes olive oil's compounds so powerful is their ability to activate longevity pathways in your cells. These pathways help upregulate protective enzymes and increase your cell's resilience to stress. With age, these pathways become less responsive, but the compounds in olive oil can help reactivate them. The timing of olive oil consumption is critical for maximum benefits. Taking it before bed aligns with your body's natural repair cycle. During sleep, your cells conduct most of their maintenance, clearing out damaged components and rebuilding tissues. The compounds in olive oil synchronize with these natural cycles, providing support exactly when your body needs them most. This timing advantage explains why the same amount of olive oil consumed during the day doesn't produce the same results. The evidence for olive oil's benefits is strong, with research showing its compounds enhance cellular antioxidant defense mechanisms by increasing important protective elements like glutathione levels. Now let's explore exactly how to implement this simple yet powerful practice for maximum benefit. Could the secret to transforming your health be as simple as 1 tablespoon of olive oil before bed? The research suggests yes, but only when done correctly. After understanding the benefits, you need to know exactly how to implement this practice to get real results. Not all approaches are equal, and small details make a big difference in how your body responds. The olive oil before bed method serves as a bridge between your current health and optimal aging. It's not a miracle cure, but rather a way to support your body's natural processes. Think of it as giving your repair systems the tools they need at exactly the right time. The good news is that this method is simple, affordable, and based on solid research. Here's where many people go wrong. They use any olive oil they find in their kitchen cabinet and wonder why they don't see results. Not all olive oils provide these benefits. Many commercial olive oils undergo processing that removes the very compounds responsible for the health effects. Others might be old, improperly stored, or even adulterated with cheaper oils. Incorrect timing or dosage can also reduce or eliminate the positive effects. The exact protocol is straightforward. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of high polyphenol extra virgin olive oil, approximately 30 minutes before bedtime. You can take it straight from the spoon, which many people find easiest. If you find the taste too strong, you can mix it with a small amount of lemon juice, which may actually enhance absorption of certain compounds. Some people prefer to combine it with a small evening snack, like a piece of whole grain bread, which can help if you experience any digestive sensitivity. Selecting the right olive oil is crucial. Look for products labeled as high polyphenol or high phenolic extra virgin olive oil with a polyphenol content over 250 milligrams per kilogram. Early harvest oils typically contain more polyphenols, as do oils made from specific olive varieties like Koronaki, Picual, and Moraiolo. The oil should come in a dark glass bottle to protect the sensitive compounds from light damage, and check for a recent harvest date. A good quality oil will have a slightly bitter, peppery finish. This is actually a sign of those beneficial polyphenols at work. Why is 1 tablespoon the optimal amount? Research suggests this dosage provides enough beneficial compounds to trigger the cellular benefits without overwhelming your digestive system. Studies tracking health professionals for nearly 3 decades found that even half a tablespoon daily can reduce mortality risk by 19%. Going beyond 1 tablespoon doesn't necessarily provide proportionally greater benefits and might cause digestive discomfort for some people. This measured approach allows your body to process the oil efficiently and make use of its compounds during your sleep cycle. When starting this routine, be aware that your body might need an adjustment period. During the first week, some people notice minor digestive changes as their system adapts to the oil before bed. This typically resolves quickly. By the end of the first week, many report improved sleep quality and morning alertness. After 30 days of consistent use, more significant benefits often emerge: reduced joint stiffness, improved digestion, steadier energy levels, and better cognitive clarity. The full range of cardiovascular and neurological benefits may take longer to develop, but continue to improve with consistent use. I should address some common concerns. Regarding calories, 1 tablespoon contains about 120 calories, which might seem concerning if you're watching your weight. However, research indicates that these are beneficial calories that may actually help regulate metabolism. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil don't typically contribute to weight gain when used in appropriate amounts. As for taste, while high polyphenol oils can be bitter, this is actually a sign of their potency. If the taste is too strong, the lemon juice or small snack options mentioned earlier can help. Regarding medications, olive oil generally doesn't interfere with most medications, but it's always wise to check with your healthcare provider if you take medications at bedtime. How much olive oil should you take for optimal nighttime benefits? 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of high polyphenol extra virgin olive oil provides the ideal dose of beneficial compounds without overwhelming digestive processes. This amount has been shown in research to deliver significant health benefits while being well tolerated by most people. By implementing this simple practice consistently, you're not just adding a healthy fat to your diet, you're activating powerful cellular mechanisms that work while you sleep. The key is consistency. Your body responds best to regular, predictable support. This isn't a quick fix, but rather a sustainable practice that works with your natural biology. Each night you provide these beneficial compounds, you're helping your cells complete their repair work more efficiently, gradually reversing the cellular deficit that contributes to aging and health challenges. When it comes to your health after 50, you face a choice. You can accept declining health as just part of getting older, or you can try this simple olive oil method that works with your body's natural repair processes. Thousands of seniors have already seen how this approach can make a real difference. Why not start tonight? Take 1 tablespoon of high-quality olive oil before bed. Research from the 3 Cities study found that olive oil consumption was associated with a lower likelihood of cognitive decline in older adults. Are you ready to transform your sleep into a healing powerhouse? Subscribe and click the bell icon for more rejuvenation tips. Sometimes the smallest actions create the biggest changes in your health.